Hello everyone, welcome to Force Galaxy, and today's video going to be more interesting as today we are going to take a look on what different careers we are having in our Salesforce ecosystem. Career in Salesforce is extremely promising as Salesforce is #1 CRM in the world right now. Many companies are adopting Salesforce as it makes life easier. As companies are adopting, so there is automatically a huge demand for the Salesforce professionals. So without wasting much more time, let's take what different profiles we are having in our sales. Number 1. Do you enjoy helping users get most out of technology? Then yes, System Administrator. This profile is best suited for you. System Admin is a person who provides value to the business by automating complex business process, monitoring new releases, ensuring that the system is clean and efficient. They are responsible for overall check of Salesforce platform. What they do: creating new users, validation rules, data management, role hierarchy, security, profiles, roles, and etc. If you are not from the IT background, so becoming an admin is the great to start. These are the technical and specialized skills recruiters look for System Administrator profile. Number 2. Do you dream in code? Do inefficiencies keep you up at night? Then yes, Salesforce Developer. This profile is for you. Salesforce Developer is code and API integration expert. This person is very in demand in Salesforce ecosystem and is subject matter expert. What Salesforce Developer do? Apex development, development in VF pages, Lightning Web Component, Lightning Component, installation, debugging, maintenance, testing, integration, and etc. If you previously having experience in the coding, then becoming a Salesforce developer is great to start. These are the technical and specialized skills recruiters look for Salesforce developer profile. Are you half artist, half scientist with an aptitude of technology? Then yes, Salesforce marketer. This profile is for you. Salesforce is having its two marketing products, the one Salesforce Marketing Cloud and the other is Pardot. If a company is using one of the Salesforce marketing product, then an individual is required to run marketing campaign and optimize performance. If you are from a marketing background, then this is great place to start. These are the technical and the specialized skills the recruiters look for the marketing profile. Till now we have discussed these are the end users role. Now let's take a look on the consulting roles we are having in our Salesforce. Salesforce consultant are the major resource in any organization as they enhance the value of them by generating more revenue and brings goodwill among their clients. So number 4. Are you a data nut and critical thinker? Then look at a career as a Salesforce business analyst. The job role of Salesforce business analyst require gathering and analyzing business requirement and converting them into effective Salesforce solution. They usually analyze, manage, run Salesforce implementation in an organization. What Salesforce business analysts do: developing and defining projects roadmap, documenting baseline information and requirements, driving projects forward. These are the technical and specialized skills recruiter look for Salesforce business analyst profile. Number 5. Do you want to travel the world while solving the complex business problem? Then take a look at a career as a Salesforce consultant. They take requirement and translate them into the Salesforce solution which are implemented then. They are the bridge between the technical team and the client and will often have exposure to the different Salesforce cloud and the App Exchange products. The tasks they perform usually the running workshops, user trainings, and gathering requirements from the client, and also have clear overall understanding of the project, outcome of the projects. The success of the customer is their first priority. These are the technical and the specialized skills recruiter look for the Salesforce consultant profile. Number 6. Are you both big picture thinker and problem solver? Then start exploring career as a Salesforce architect. Salesforce architect is someone who has been certified to demonstrate the capabilities to build and develop solution across the Salesforce platform. This individual will be expected to understand the overall business process and Salesforce product inside out. This individual will be overseeing the complex business solution and ensuring their success. These are the technical and the specialized skills recruiter look for the Salesforce architect profile. Building your career as a Salesforce professional will take some time, but the reward is thereafter certainly worthwhile. Growth is very subjective term, but if you consider the hike and the career opportunities, then Salesforce is much better than the many traditional Java and the .NET career. Hope you guys like my video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.